In property law, a fixture is an item incorporated in or permanently attached to real property that becomes part of the property itself. But what party has the burden of proving that an item physically attached to the land wasn't intended to be attached as a fixture? The Iowa Court of Appeals considered this question in First Trust and Savings Bank of Moville v. Guthridge. Bernice Guthridge had a life estate on a farm in Iowa. In addition, Bernice's son Larry leased the land from Bernice and had the remainder interest in the life estate. First Trust and Savings Bank of Moville gave Larry a loan to purchase 40 feed bunks for the farm in 1983. Larry gave First Trust a security interest in the bunks. Larry then placed the bunks along the property line by attaching them by their weight using steel cables and wooden fence posts that could easily be removed. But 2 years later, Larry conveyed his remainder interest to Bernice as satisfaction for unpaid rent. Subsequently, First Trust brought a replevin action against Bernice in state district court to recover the feed bunks. In response, Bernice argued that the feed bunks were fixtures that became her property when Larry conveyed his remainder interest to her by deed. The district court disagreed and issued First Trust a writ of replevin. Bernice appealed to the Iowa Court of Appeals.